Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel, Artfolio Gallery. In today's video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of mastering pencil shading for nose. If you're new to my channel or a beginner in the world of art, I highly recommend checking out episode 7, where we cover essential shading techniques with pencils. You can find the link in the description box below. Step 1. Basic nose shape. Let's start by lightly sketching the basic shape of the kid's nose. Please note that kids' noses are generally smaller and softer in appearance compared to adults. Step 2. Bridge and tip. Add the bridge of the nose, which should be gentle and less pronounced. Sketch the soft, rounded tip of the nose. Step 3. Nostrils. Draw the nostrils as two small, rounded shapes. Ensure they are proportionate to the child's nose. Step 4. Sides and septum. Include the septum, which is usually smoother in children. Step 5. Shadows and highlights. Begin shading the sides of the nose gently to create subtle depth. Highlight the areas where light hits the nose, maintaining a soft appearance. Define the sides of the nose with soft shading or light lines. Step 6. Blending. Use a blending tool or your fingers to ensure the shading appears soft and natural. Step 7. Refinement. Review your sketch and refine any details while keeping the childlike softness in mind. Pay attention to maintaining the innocence of a kid's nose. Step 8. Final touches. Add any additional shading or highlights to enhance realism. Clean up any unwanted lines or marks. That's it for today, friends. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and leaving a comment down below. Stay tuned for the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.